Hi, everyone. Welcome to Financial Insights. I'm Linda, your accounting coach. So, we are continuing our conversation on accounting basics for small businesses. So, today we're going to talk about cash. So, have you ever withdrawn on your account? Have you ever taken out too much money and then there's a negative balance or no money at all? That happens to all of us, not only on the personal side, but also on the business side. Many times we hear a conversation on, okay, small business owner, entrepreneur, you have to look at your financial statements, you got to look at that revenue, you got to look at your expenses. However, we need to monitor cash. Cash is the fuel to any business. Cash keeps this door open. Cash pays the payroll. It pays the maintenance, the utilities. It allows you to buy products so you can manufacture your own products. So, cash is very important. We have to understand that we have to monitor cash and we have to create a system to monitor cash. If you're using QuickBooks or possibly Wave, they do not have an actual tool for you to actually estimate cash. And what I mean by that is basically taking your current bank balance plus estimated cash coming in minus estimated cash going out. That is your estimated cash ending balance. This is so key to monitoring because once again, a lot of times we focus so much on, okay, let's look at that revenue number on the profit and loss statement. Depending on how your accounting works, that could be accrual basis, not cash basis. So you want to monitor cash. So number one, you want to make sure that you can estimate weekly how much cash is going to be on hand so you can make sure those bills are getting paid. Number two, you need to create a system for yourself. So you can use an Excel spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, if you want to use a good old notebook. But on a weekly basis, particularly if you're cash strapped or if you're always worrying about, man, am I going to have enough cash? Do a weekly cash estimate. Very simple. Take your current bank balance at the beginning of the month, beginning of the week, whatever day you're doing it, pull it up, bank balance plus estimated cash. So if you are product based, you need to estimate how much cash is going to come in. If you're service based, look at those invoices and say, okay, who's going to possibly pay this week? You take that plus your bank balance minus your expenses. Not only minus your expenses, also owner's withdrawal. So a lot of times we forget about that. So that's also another component of cash. You want to make sure when you're estimating cash, you're including everything that's going to affect cash. So, once again, monitoring cash is so important. It's the fuel to any organization. You want to make sure you put a system in place to monitor that. So, tip for the day, make sure you have a system to monitor your cash balance. Hopefully, you find this information helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and share, and we'll see you next time.